How to change Uber Eats delivery mode from bicycle to car. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can change your Uber Eats bicycle to car, your delivery option. Well, let's guide you through. Here I'm on the help.uber.com and you can see here I'm on the page that says change delivery method. Now if you read it here, it says if you wish to change your mode of delivery, that is from motorbike to bicycle or bicycle to car, you will have to submit the form below. You'll have to see here, you can see various notes. Multiple vehicle registrations are only available for the same delivery mode. Once the change is made, you'll be able to submit any additional document as well as update your registered vehicles from the account page in your partner app. You'll have to note that documents review takes 2 business days and during the review you cannot go online. Note that it can take a few days for incentives to be updated to your new delivery mode. If you are a foreign national, you'll be required to visit one of the compliance centers after you update your delivery mode. Walker mode is only available for those who registered bicycle mode. You'll have to note that you can't deliver only with the walker mode. If your account is already active, there are no additional documents required to change to the walker mode. Now, if you wish to update the vehicle on your current delivery mode, you can check the pieces below. You can update my vehicle mode option, tap on it and go ahead. And here, unfortunately, this option is unavailable in my region, but from here you'll be able to go ahead and proceed through the prompts to change. This is how you can change Uber Eats your bicycle to car. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.